Friends, today I'm excited to share an incredible motivational video with you. I'm confident you'll enjoy it. Today, our topic is wolf mentality, 6 rules of power, how to make mentality like a wolf.
Friends, if you aspire to be a sharp and wise individual, if you wish to ensure that no one can take advantage of you, but instead, you can turn others into your subordinates, then today I'm going to share several key insights that will make you as shrewd and astute as a wolf. Consider that the wolf is a creature in the wilderness that no other animal can rival. At times, even a lion finds itself compelled to flee in the face of a wolf. Therefore, if your aim is to command respect from others, if you desire to exert influence over people, you need to grasp the principles that govern the wolf. You must absorb its cunning in the same way. Today, I will present 6 points, and at the end, I will provide a bonus point that will instruct you on how to leverage others and benefit from them. Therefore, let's get started. Number 1, attack in silence. A wolf is formidable because it operates without unnecessary noise. It doesn't overreact. Rather, it makes its moves quietly. If you aim to be successful, smart, and astute in life, and if you wish to dominate others, you must also learn to attack without a sound. Whatever actions you take, do them discreetly. Allow others to perceive you as an average individual, not particularly bright. Yet within, nurture a tempest. Maintain control over others silently. Understand more about people than they understand about you. Be stronger than them, but never reveal your next move. This way, you will easily overcome anyone, and no one will be able to manipulate you. Instead, you will always be in command. A wolf remains quiet before it attacks. No creature can predict its next move, but once it pounces, no one can escape its hold. You too should aspire to be someone who can quietly accomplish what others cannot even conceive. Number 2, conceal your secrets. A wolf avoids revealing too much about itself. If you disclose your secrets to others, those details will turn into tools that can harm you. Individuals will use them to undermine you. Therefore, maintain the confidentiality of your crucial secrets. Your income, your personal life, and your thoughts, these should all remain private. The more you keep to yourself, the more others will try to uncover your information. With fewer people in the know, it becomes more difficult for them to bring you down. However, when people are aware of everything, they can easily exploit your vulnerabilities. If you aspire to be clever and wise, hide your secrets, for your secrets are your strength, and such strength should never be given to others. Number 3, stay close to people. To gain influence over others and enhance your intelligence, you need to remain near people. Engage with them. Understand their nature. Recognize their vulnerabilities. Even mingle with those who oppose you. Make them believe you are just an ordinary person who means no harm while you quietly observe their behavior, like a wolf that keeps its gaze on its target. It monitors the prey's actions and movements. It only attacks when the moment is right. In the same way, you should pay close attention to people, what they are contemplating, plotting, or how they regard you. The more insight you have about them, the more formidable you will become. If you detach yourself, you will miss out on others' strategies, making it easier for them to overcome you. Therefore, stay engaged, watch closely, and lead. Rule number 4, never show vulnerability. Make it a guiding principle in your life. Never present yourself as weak to anyone. If you wish to be perceived as intelligent and capable, and if you want to protect yourself from being taken advantage of or harmed, ensure that your vulnerabilities remain hidden. Keep your struggles and pains private. Showing your wounds only gives others ammunition to use against you. If you reveal too much of your inner turmoil or personal sorrows, you risk having that information wielded against you when it counts the most. For this reason, it's essential to maintain an air of strength, even if you're feeling fragile within. Sometimes, you may need to put on a brave face, but under no circumstances should you allow yourself to appear weak. Weakness can become a weapon for others, and when you are seen as vulnerable, you become an easy target. However, when you present yourself as strong, you command respect and instill fear. Rule number 5, build a strong attitude. Adopt the mindset that you never need to chase after anyone. Rather, people should be the ones pursuing you. Establish your self-worth as your top priority. When you demonstrate self-respect, it naturally draws others toward you. On the other hand, if you find yourself in pursuit of others, you risk diminishing your own value in their eyes. If anyone disrespects you or belittles you in public, it's time to remove them from your life. Infuse your personality with confidence. If someone chooses to overlook you, feel free to reciprocate their indifference. Stand firm on your principles and never settle for less than what you're worth. When people recognize that you are unwavering in your values, they'll think twice before disrespecting you or attempting to ignore you. It's crucial to convey that your self-worth is your foremost concern, and that their opinions hold little significance for you. This assertiveness not only empowers you, but also instills a sense of admiration and respect from those around you, making them seek your approval. Number 6, set personal boundaries. It's important to keep your interactions with others within certain limits. Be mindful of how close you let people get and establish clear boundaries in your life. Never allow anyone to influence or control you without your consent. Just like a wolf, which has a keen sense of its circle, you should discern who to let into your life and who to keep at a distance. Take the time to build these boundaries. Clearly communicate your limits to others so that no one can take advantage of you. Many individuals may come into your life with their own agendas, only to move on once they've achieved what they wanted. To maintain a sense of security, it's crucial to avoid being too accessible. Concentrate on your aspirations. The more available you are, the less unique you become. When people see you as just another option, they may start to treat you casually and lose respect for your individuality. Bonus tip: understand human nature. To effectively motivate and inspire those around you, it's essential to recognize and appreciate their vulnerabilities. If someone is seeking validation, show them respect and build a connection. If they are in need of financial support, offer assistance and guide them positively. Influential leaders understand this dynamic. They identify what others may struggle with and create a supportive environment where those very aspects become avenues for growth. When people are motivated by ambition, they often unlock incredible potential. By mastering the art of understanding and nurturing human nature, you can foster strong relationships that benefit everyone involved. Before you go, please share where you're tuning in from and what you thought of today's video. I'd love to hear your suggestions for future topics as well. If you found this content insightful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for updates. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching.